Hi, I'm Darren from i-LAN Technology, and this is the EZEK EZ-AQUA 250B Benchtop water purifier. An under-sink model called the 250BU is also available. The EZEK AQUA 250B Benchtop water purifier is a simple and affordable filter to convert plain tap water into clean, tasty and healthy drinking water. So no more having to buy bottled water, which is often no better than tap water anyway, and also creates lots of plastic waste which ends up in our oceans and landfill. And these work out a lot cheaper than bottled water as well. With bottled water you can end up paying up to $1 or even more per litre. EZEK filtered water works out to around 6 cents per litre, and it's always right there where you want it at the twist of a tap. Installation is a breeze. Simply unscrew the aerator from any tap and screw on the 250B inlet hose. Now for filtered water, turn the tap to the vertical position. For plain unfiltered water, bypassing the filter, return it to the horizontal position. The kit comes with options to attach to both male and female threaded taps and can also be attached to unthreaded taps. Both EZEK systems contain 3 cartridges which tap water is filtered through before we drink it. The water first passes through a polypropylene filter or PP filter, which removes larger particles like dirt and rust. Then a coconut shell granulator activated carbon filter removes heavy metals and volatile organic compounds like chlorine, gasoline, benzene, formaldehyde, as well as odour-causing particles. And finally through a biological EM medium filter to remove bacteria and other microorganisms. EZEK's EM medium filter has an unmatched efficiency of 99.9999%, making it one of the top filters on the market. Most other filters only guarantee up to 99.99% efficiency. All this is achieved while retaining healthy minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc and potassium, while still maintaining a decent water flow rate. For an average family of 4 drinking the recommended 8 glasses of water per day, it's recommended to change the PP filter every 6 months and the carbon and biological filters once a year. The filters are easily removed by rotating them counterclockwise until you feel 5 clicks. Then lift the filter out. Installing the new filter is a reversal of the same procedure. Be aware that water will come out of the old filter, so it's a good idea to first put the whole unit into the sink when changing filters over. And that's the EZEK EZ-AQUA 250B Benchtop water purifier, available with a 3-year manufacturer warranty for all parts other than for the individual cartridges.